This is Jared from LearnToDroid.com. Today we'll be going through a tutorial on how to create an Android app with a hyperlink in the text view so that when you select it, it will go to a website in the mobile browser. To demonstrate this, I'll just show you this app I've created here. If I select LearnToDroid.com, it'll open up LearnToDroid, my website, inside a mobile browser. So let's get started. So this can be accomplished in 3 simple steps. So to do this, select File and create a new project first. We'll call this Hyperlink TextView tutorial. So step number 1 is to go into the strings.xml file and create a new string. This string will be defined using HTML markup. So for the HTML markup, we'll say, please visit, and open an anchor tag, href, and include the website here, so LearnToDroid.com. Close the anchor tag and put in some text here as well, so LearnToDroid.com, which will be the title of the text link. Step number 2, we'll set up the text view in the activity layout resource file. So when this new project was created, it already came with a text view, so we'll just be changing this text to point to the new string resource we just created with the hyperlink. As you can see, there's no link at the moment, so step number 3 involves setting the movement method on the text view to allow the link to be shown. So to do this, we'll first create a variable for the text view. We'll need to make sure we've got an ID for this text view. We'll just call it activity main hyperlink. Then we'll need to call the set movement method on the text view and use the link movement method, get instance. Okay, now if we run this app, we should see a text view get shown and the link underlined. So yep, please visit LearnToDroid.com, and if you select that link, it should open up LearnToDroid in the mobile browser. So thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create a hyperlink for a text view in Android Studio. Please visit my website, which is linked in the description and the top comment, which has some more details about how to do this, including all the code samples shown in today's tutorial. Thank you.